everybody. Okay, so I'm trying something new because my restream didn't work streaming to YouTube. But I also thought it would be cool to, and normally I just stream through Zoom and that works well enough for my office hours. But I also think that it's cool to be able to stream to multiple platforms. So I'm on Twitch and X and YouTube. I was on Facebook, but my father-in-law asked me about it, and I was just like, it's fine if he wants to watch, but I realized like nobody over there is watching me. So anyway, yeah, so this is Office Hours. If you've never joined for Office Hours before, then this is your chance to ask me question stuff. Let me share my screen here. I need to like make a fade, don't I? That looks like very abrupt. Yeah, so Office Hours is once a week. I am here to help you out, answer whatever questions you have. You can join the Zoom call and share your screen, or you can ask on Discord, and I will answer questions here. Office Hours sometimes can be pretty quick. Other times it's not so quick. Depends on the questions that you all ask.
Recording
so let me
in
just
progress.
pull up the Zoom. And yep, hello. And yeah, we'll get going on answering the questions that I've got. I think that I don't know, but I might ignore chat because, well, it looks like I have to sign into chat. Yeah, I don't know. If you really want to ask questions, then you need to come join the Discord. And I believe in the description of the video, it should show you how to get to my Discord somehow. kcd.im/discord. That's how you get there. Okay, cool. So, yeah, let's go ahead, and it looks like I've got one person commenting on YouTube saying the video is buffering. It could be that I was a little aggressive on my settings for the output. I don't know if I can change that at this point. Output, yeah, I can't change that at this point, but maybe I will reduce that in the future. Also, maybe I should switch to, yeah, anyway, let's just do Office Hours, then we'll look at how things turned out. I think that I've answered all of these questions already, so the only question that is left unanswered is this one, and it was already kind of answered. He answered it himself, but he's got a new question. So answering or looking into this now, and actually let me stick the link to so anyway, YouTube yeah, right here, live now, and join Zoom if you like. Office Hours Zoom. Okay, great. So yeah, with that, let's take a look at this question. So first I'm going to look at this question just to get us all up to speed, and maybe I can shed some additional insight and everything onto this. So Giuliano is working on the foundation module. So if we go to foundations, right here, I think it was on search engine optimization. And I think it was on meta overrides. Let's see. Meta function below in a subroute. So user's username right here. Yep, that's exactly right. I've tried restarting the playground. It's not being called. No errors. Yeah, okay, great. And then he actually shared the... Okay, hold on. Just got to make sure. You should be hearing this, but you're not, and I'm not sure why. So let me make sure that... yes, that makes sense. I know why. Okay, now you should hear this.
Workshop. So
here we go. Come over to SEO, exercise 2. and we'll go to the problem and the solution. We'll start both of these apps. Oops, and solution, there we go. Pop those open. So put the solution on the right side. And if we go to Cody's notes, and then here, boom, and then Cody's notes, and then here, this will say profile epic Cody epic notes. So yeah, so we're what Giuliano is that right, Giuliano? Yeah, what Giuliano is suggesting is why doesn't the title or the metadata for child routes get applied here? And I need to remind myself of why, because it's been a while since I messed around with the metadata stuff. So, and honestly, what's surprising me is that actually appears to be happening, because we're getting epic notes right here. And our epic notes, here, actually, let's set to ground. Set that to 5.2 solution. No, scroll restoration, wait, what? 6.2 solution, there we go. Yeah. Okay, so then we can just run this and I can make changes. We'll stop this guy and stop this one. Open this one and we'll scooch them over together. If anybody's still watching, I'm curious whether the stream is any better since I went to switching to Starlink, or if it is worse. So let me know. Oh, and Giuliano is there. Sweet. Okay, and sorry, I just noticed in the Zoom call, Andres is actually here. So Andres, when I finish with this question, I'll ask you if you got anything. Priority to people who are in the Zoom call. Okay, anyway, so our title here. What's confusing me, and I need to remind myself of, is that why does this one, which is a parent route, if we go to username, right here, so why is this not overriding or being applied for these ones? So that's what I need to remind myself of, is why that is happening that way. So give me a moment to, I'm pretty sure I described this myself here in the instructions. So here we have, now we're talking about dynamic export. I don't think that this is going to be our answer. Yeah, that is not going to be it. Yeah, okay, so we got that static, and then we have overrides. We want to be able to here, I'll actually go back. Sometimes I describe the problem in the, but there's some pages I like to customize a little bit. Okay, here, and then you add the meta. Here, and then you add the meta. And then we add that there. And actually, yeah, let's get rid of that and that. So let's answer a question just to make sure. And that is updating there. Yeah, I'm actually doesn't override from there. Hey, Giuliano. Good to see you. If you don't mind giving me a second why it's working this way, because I am actually, I've forgotten why it works this way. So I'm just going to read through the docs really quick. So we've got a global meta. We stick those in here. That makes total sense. The problem by not exporting meta, you want to override from parent routes instead. Defining meta on parent route, use the index route. This way you can avoid complex merging logic. Yeah, and then you can merge things. How to merge in the workshop, but now I'm kind of wondering if I do. I don't think that
actually,
I show. Oh, I do in the parent data.
no, you show in the workshop.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, here we can grab the matches and stuff. So for that
Are you
merging.
sharing the screen also on Zoom?
Oh, I am sharing it on the live stream, but not.
Over there.
Ah, dang it. Well, I will do better next time. Parameters, accessing data. You can access data via the matches, and you've got types and all that. And here are the gotchas. Multiple nested routes render at the same time. Merging, it needs to happen. Remix gives you complete control because there's no obvious default. They used to give you, or they used to merge it for you, and then it became a problem. And so now they just said, no, you're going to do that. Remix will take the last matching route with all with the meta export and use that. Oh, that's what it is. Now I remember. Okay, so if you don't have a meta export, then Remix will look for the lowest parent for the route. We're seeing epic notes here is because this notes doesn't have a meta export. And so it's going to look for the lowest parent, which actually, oh, right. Yeah, wow, this is actually, yeah, kind of interesting. So the username route right here is not a parent of the notes route right here. And that's because this underscore. And you can actually visually tell that too. If you go to this route, here's the UI for the username route. Because this UI doesn't show up on this page, you can just tell, oh, that's not a parent route. It's a what is it called?